In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hostinger website builder to set up an online store and start selling your digital products. This is a fantastic tool for entrepreneurs and creatives alike, allowing you to establish a professional online presence and reach a wider audience with ease. Together, we'll walk through everything from beginning to end, ensuring you are ready to sell those ebooks, software, or any other digital products you might have. Now, let's get started. Imagine this firstly. You've decided to create beautiful and engaging content, and now it's time to share it with the world. Head over to the Hostinger website builder, a user-friendly platform perfect for both novices and experienced users. Once you open it, you'll be met with a sleek, intuitive interface designed to make the web building process simple. Our next step is to add an online store section to your website. This function is crucial as it's where your customers will browse, select, and purchase your digital products. You'll find this feature conveniently located in the website builder's main menu. Dive in, and within a few clicks, you'll be able to create an online store page. Make sure to customize the section to reflect your personal style or business identity. Think about using colors, fonts, and images that best represent you or your brand. Once your store layout is set, it's time to upload your digital products. Whether you're selling ebooks, software applications, artwork, or any other downloadable items, you'll want to make sure everything is easy to find. Drag and drop these files into your store section, and don't forget to add comprehensive descriptions for each item. Clear, appealing descriptions will help invite interest and give potential buyers the information they need to choose what's best for them. Now, setting prices and payment options is a critical step. Consider how much your products are worth and what price points will attract buyers while keeping your business profitable. Hostinger offers a range of payment gateway integrations to make this part seamless. Opt for those that are widely used and trusted, such as PayPal, Stripe, or direct credit card payments. It's all about convenience and security for your customers, so take time to get these settings right. Finally, with all pieces in place, it's time to hit publish and unveil your creation to the world. Your site will go live and your products will be available for purchase. Remember, promoting your new store is key to driving traffic, so consider using social media or email marketing to spread the word. And there you have it. You've successfully used the Hostinger website builder to launch an online store. Keep track of your sales and continue to update and improve your offerings as needed. Thank you for tuning in, and best of luck with your new venture.